about the sad lighting. I can't see all. I just adjusted the light because they have the little bendy things, and it's either too bright or not bright enough. So I don't know. I'll play with this for now. I'll turn the bench light on. But what was I going to say? I got one tool which I'm probably going to dismantle in this video just because I want to see who makes it. So in order to get blinded, see, this doesn't make any sense. Now this light's acting weird. So anyway, yeah, I got one tool I picked up. Well, actually, it came to me today, and I want to see who makes it. So I'm gonna get a grinder out and see if I can rip some paint off it and take it apart to show you what it is. So keep watching. I'll turn this thing down so you can see. There we go. This tool I got here is this green monster. There's no markings on it. I don't know if it's not a Gressel vise. It doesn't appear to be a, what is it, an FP something, whatever vise. There's a little zingading over here. I don't know who makes it. I don't know. So, usually there's a little mark over here somewhere, or a mark over here, a mark over here, or a mark on this side. There appears to be no marks anywhere. So either it's really old and fancy, or I got screwed. I don't know. I thought it was cool. Oh, and if anybody knows what it is, this part unscrews apparently. I don't know if this is a factory original or what, but except this pipe is coming off. I don't even know if this goes in there. It appears to be threaded, so I don't know if that's came with this. Who knows? I'm assuming it's just a pipe somebody stuck in there. Because why the hell would this? But I mean, it has kept that in pretty decent shape. So let's try to take her apart. See what we got here. Dun, 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 dun. See if there's any features I don't know about. I'm guessing there's a pin somewhere. I don't know. Looks like the back just comes right up. No markings. Nope, no markings. It's nice and oiled. I'm guessing the nut is in there. Oh yeah, that is threaded. So yeah, it seems logical. There's the only kind of marking I can see is possibly, maybe it's a freaking no-name job. There's a little tiny thing right here. I don't know what the hell that means. I've seen vices like this before. And I'm going to rip some paint off. See what we find. So, there's a stamp on the front here. It says 62. So hold on. I don't know if this is a vice from overseas, what country, if it's some foreign knockoff. I don't care, it's cool. I don't really care. Oh, if you use one of these wire brushings, I highly recommend you wear a full face shield. What's my first impression? Well, somebody repaired this at some point. Fucking Bondo and shit everywhere. All I see is a 62 on it. Let's see if we get rid of this. Well, 7 minutes of grinding here. All right. Let's turn this off. Well, so far it looks like it's got a casting failure right there. Port casting mark right there. There's no, it's got some serious either casting or drilling failures in there. This looks like a drill hole. And these are just, I don't know, casting flaws. So yeah, that's that. This part, I took some paint off of it, stripped it down. The only number I could find is a 62 right there on the front. Other than that, this thing ain't got nothing. So, I have no idea what the hell. I'm assuming if maybe I get this Allen key out, I might be able to pull it out of there. Well, folks, this Allen key apparently came out really easy, and this apparently unscrews. So, who the hell makes this? I ain't got a clue, but I do have one clue. This is probably the easiest disassembly I've ever seen. It's got this weird, like, thing here. See? That on there. This on here. For a crappy ass Vise. There's not too many parts. She appears to be clean, and a few rough, crappy casting marks. The, what do you call it? Inside appears to be mutually ugly. Where's my spiky thing? There we go. It appears to have been seriously abused. That's weird. There's a hole in here. And I'm guessing this is our old friend JB Weld. Yeah, there's a hole in there. Looks like I'm gonna have to learn to braze. There's a hole right in there somehow. Very, very red. Do I always get the lemons? There's a ton of dirt in here. I don't know if it's crap or what, but anyway, there's a hole through the top here. I wonder if I'd be able to tack weld it. I should try and see. See, there's all this screwy shit here. Maybe solder it. It's not cracked. It's just not pretty. I'm guessing this is probably a Chinese knockoff of some sort. That's my guess. I have a brush somewhere here. Let's brush it out of here. Where's that collar? This thing. It just screws in there. Fancy. I'm gonna have to figure out a way to clean that up. It's like fucking dirt everywhere. This must be a casting flaw. Right from the factory. Because I don't see it as being a drill mark. It's very unusual. I'll just cover it with some JB Weld. Yeah. That's all I can do, really. Is it in there, too? Very weird. There's a ton of goddamn dirt in there. Yeah, see? There's a big casting flaw right there. I mean, it didn't just choke out like that. There's something like Bondo I put in there. So yeah, Bondo. Well, I got flipped again. Let's clean this out of here. The king of scrappy ass vices. I swear. Oh well. This out of here. Come on. Get all this crap out of here. Because it's not cracked. There's like just a huge casting bubble in there. I'd have to plug that with a piece of copper. Put a little plug in there somehow. Learn how to weld or blaze. Cool. I'm gonna put this back together now. See, there's like this. I don't know. I don't know if this thing is close enough. I'll put the camera closer. Anyway, that's it. No name vise. Took it apart. I'll do another video of me messing around with some more. Probably heat it up and braise it.